Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a loading page in Adobe XD. First, open Adobe XD and create a new project. Select an artboard size that matches your application or website. Next, design a visually appealing background for your loading screen, perhaps using a soft gradient or a solid brand color. Finally, add your company's logo or a distinctive icon to the center of the artboard, ensuring it is clearly visible and well-aligned. This initial setup provides a strong foundation for your interactive loading experience. Now, let's create the loading indicator itself. You can draw a simple circle or a line to represent the progress bar. Duplicate this initial shape and adjust its properties, such as width or color, to visually show the loading progression. For a more dynamic effect, consider using the Repeat Grid feature to quickly generate several small, animated elements. This method allows for creative and engaging visual feedback, keeping your users informed and entertained during the brief waiting period. With your loading indicator designed, it's time to bring it to life through animation. Switch to prototype mode in Adobe XD. Select your loading artboard and set a time trigger, which will automatically start the animation after a specified delay, perhaps 0.5 seconds. Then, create a second artboard showing the completed loading state. Use Auto Animate to create a smooth, seamless transition between these two artboards, making your loading experience feel fluid and professional for the user. Finally, it's crucial to refine and test your loading page. Preview the animation to ensure all transitions are smooth and visually appealing. Experiment with different timing and easing options within the Auto Animate settings to achieve a polished and professional feel. Once satisfied, you can easily share your interactive prototype with stakeholders for feedback. Alternatively, export the animation as a video or GIF, providing developers with a clear visual guide for implementation, ensuring a consistent user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.